All right, guys, we are building your machine right now. We have not done the checks yet. The reason why we're building your machine and not have done the checks yet is I don't want it to be where, let's say this big ass motor's not on here and it maybe moves the metal, or, you know, let's say if I set it on after I check everything, you know, the bed moves a little bit. I was talking to Henry, he's an old timer on this thing, and he was telling me that, hey, let's put everything on it that's heavy, that's weight, and then we're going to indicate all the axes. The other thing that I learned, and I made the mistake of, is when I was talking about that way wiper that went up top here, well, there's actually a bracket that bolts up to here, and it covers this section of the ways to protect it. So we got it priced out from the manufacturer. They're going to get back to me, but here it is over here. I'm going to stand this up a little bit and show you the end. It's all, see if you can get this right here. That's all mangled because of chip buildup or whatever the case is. So if we can't get it from the OEM, which they're telling me they have to get it quoted from Japan, I'm assuming it's going to be quite expensive just because of the trip itself. It's 59 inches by 4 inches by 1 inch thick on the thickest part. And so I think I'm going to make it. We're going to wait for methods to get back to us. They're usually pretty good about it, but you always got the timeline with the time change and everything else. But that was the cover that goes up in that area where I described as a wiper. So good news, bad news. Bad news, I didn't order it when I originally called it out in the book. It shows it as a cover versus like a wiper material, so we missed that page. If you look in the book, you could see why. So I might make up a new one. Well, I have to make up a new one if I can't get the new one from the factory, which would be Japan. So we figured that out, but we didn't figure that out. So I'll keep you guys updated on that one. But I'm trying to think what else we had to go over. I think that's about it. So everything will be bolted that's heavy on here, and then we're going to put the test bars. Oh, we did get your chucks in today. They came in, no issues at all with shipping or anything like that. Everything's safe. So we'll probably mount those eventually. But what I'd like to do is I generally put test bars in here. So we'll figure that out. I'll shoot a video of once I could actually put the, check the accuracy and everything else. We're putting the weight up here, but I'm not putting the belts on it. So I'm just trying to figure everything, and then we'll do the alignments on this thing. So we are so close, but yet we're not there yet. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. I know I owed you guys a video. I apologize, but this is where we're at. We're still feeling making progress on it. If you could see this y-axis up here, how it's almost as high as the cover back here, that was pretty much the main reason why we just snuck this thing under without building the machine outside of it and then taking it all down and then building it again. So we save a little bit of time, but this is where we're at. So I'll do another video, probably not tomorrow, but maybe Monday, Tuesday, we start checking the alignment on this thing, and that's where I could do another video in depth with an indicator, checking everything. So I'll let you guys know if I have any problems with this asset right here. So I think we should get an answer tomorrow on that, and we'll keep you updated. But thank you, and please call me if you have any questions.